In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Attio. We'll move from your home screen, generate the secure credentials you need, and then create a fresh workspace so you can begin organizing your data right away. Start on your Attio home. From here, open your company profile and head into Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the administrative tools that shape how your workspace functions. Use the search box at the top of Settings and type Developers. Then open the Developers section. Think of developers as the control room for integrations and automation. It's where you generate credentials, manage API access, and enable other tools to connect safely to Attio. Next, choose to create a new access token. An access token is a secure secret key that proves to Attio, and to any integrations you use, that a request is authorized. It's like a pass that lets software talk to your account without sharing your password. Give the token a clear name so you'll remember what it's for later. You'll see permission options for the token. In this example, set the features to read and write. Read lets the integration fetch information. Write allows it to make changes, like creating or updating records. Grant only what you need, but for a full demo experience, read and write ensures everything works end-to-end. When you're satisfied, save your changes. You'll now see the token you generated. Copy it and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager. Treat it like a password, don't share it publicly, and don't paste it into unsecured documents. Head back to your Attio home and open Workspaces. A workspace is a dedicated environment for your team or project. Each one can have its own data, views, permissions, and automations, keeping things organized and focused. Click New Workspace to start fresh. In the Setup form, paste the access token into the Workspace ID field as shown in this example. This links your API access so your workspace can work smoothly with integrations. Then enter a clear, descriptive name for your new workspace, something your team will instantly recognize. Set the users for your workspace by choosing who should have access and what level of permission they need. This is where you control collaboration, invite teammates, assign roles, and ensure the right people can view or edit data. Finally, create your first record. This is your launch point for building. Add contacts, companies, or deals, and start crafting views and reports that match your workflow. That's it, your Attio workspace is up and running. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.